I took a trial and I'm satisfied. I raised the PO, and when I paid advance and raised the PO in the second day, I received a call, your machine is ready to dispatch. So lightning fast response from him.
We have one very good customer come guest from Valgro India Limited, Mr. Silas Pakhe and Mr. Jack. So we would like to know about your experience with the Valgro.
First of all, thank you for giving such a nice machine introduction to us. Myself, Shailesh Parkhe from Valgro India Limited. I am working there as a manager in sheet metal department, and my need is to remove the bugs from which are coming through lasers and after machining of some components. And I am looking for deburring machines which will solve my problem. So I come through Mr. Arvind Patel through Google or Facebook, and then I searched the product range of them, and just contacted him, and the response time from him and to understand my need and to give the solution for a particular machine is very fast. Within 1 or 2 days from my inquiry, I planned my visit here with my samples, and surprisingly machine was ready. And today I am inspected my machine. It's a very good machines. Satisfied all my needs, and very much useful for my applications. So he has a wide range of products with him for sheet metal polishing and all. So good thing, and I like this setup also, and good experience. And Mr. Arvind Patel himself is a very knowledgeable person, and every time I just look at his medals and all certificates here in his office, and very impressive. Thank you.
What about your experience, Mr. Jack?
Yeah, myself Jack. I am ex-senior executive in Valgro India Manufacturing. Machine design is very beautiful. It is very nice. Technology is also very good. The one most thing which I noticed in this was if the flatness of the job is, suppose it is 0.5, and if I just pass from the machine, that it becomes 0.2, which I noticed and witnessed.
Very nice.
Which is the very best quality part of the machine. So overall experience, design and everything was very nice, and machine I would highly recommend that we should go for this. It have multiple functions how to use. There are so many good functions.
Yes. So your need, basically your need is edge deburring and edge rounding.
Yes.
But this machine, after today's trial, you found some of part you also avoid the sandblasting or salt blasting before powder coating.
Yes.
So that is also extra input.
Also it can eliminate the sander. Orbital grinding can also be eliminated by using 180 grit paper.
Very nice, very nice. So thank you very much for your wonderful feedback. Your feedback really motivate to our Valgro team, and we are highly committed to our customer. We offer them affordable deburring and metal finishing solutions. So we try to grow all SMEs. See, all industries require deburring machines.
Yes.
Deburring is a headache now. Only big company can afford this kind of the machines, but Valgro is responsible to aware small factory also, 3-tier or 4-tier companies. Also they can buy deburring machines. That is our motto. So we make the affordable machines for all industries, not only multinational, but it can work on SMEs also. So this is our motto, and therefore we try to make high precise machine, which is our main aim. Because finishing is a slow and step-by-step process, and today industries facing the challenges. Most of industries, if we found 1,000 factories, 995 industries doing manual work. Only 5% can afford the machines.
Yes.
Our motto is next coming couple of years, at least 25% of the SMEs can buy these machines for their deburring solution. The main headache is manpower. So this is our motto. Thank you very much. You are helping us to buy our machines and promote Valgro product, promote Made in India brand. So I am really thankful. Thank you.
Thank you.